Good day guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unboxing this Omni wall-mounted exhaust fan with the model number XFW300. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unbox this. Ito guys, ito na po yung exhaust fan na tinatawag. I-open natin yun.
Medyo mabigat lang pero okay.
So itong wire, magsisilbing itong switch o di kaya ay saksakan upang makapandar ito. Ito yung blade. And then meron siyang fan guard. Ayan. So i-open natin yung itsura ito. Ito yung fan guard ng exhaust fan. Okay? And then may instruction manual. Yan. And when you purchase the product, may kasama po siyang warranty card. Tama? Ayan. May warranty card siya. Okay. So pwede na ito takpan, no? Kaya yan. Okay. O, see? Okay. Dali. Ang specs ng Omni exhaust fan ay model XFW300. Ang size niya is 300 mm. Ang case size is 39.5 by 14 by 40.2 mm. Voltage is 230 volts. Ang frequency talaga is 60 Hz. May timbang siya ng 3.8 kilograms. May Class D climate at may consumption sa kuryente 50 watts. Kaya mas tipid talaga sa kuryente. Okay? So, meron siyang anti-vibration mounting. May thermal fuse. May shock resistant po ito. Ayan. May self-lubricating motor, reduce noise, so siya, hindi siya talaga maingay. Ito po ay wall mount type na exhaust fan. Kung mapapansin mong nasa likod ay once itong i-on, bubukas ito ng kusa. Ayan. Pag naka-off ito, sasara. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching this my vlog and I hope ma-enjoy mo itong unboxing video na ito. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Search Leonora. See you!